Hi guys, I've been constipated for 2 days, so I think I need this. I'm going to make a smoothie out of it. So here guys, I already peeled the papaya. And let's gonna add the ice cream. This is the only available ice cream. Then to add our strawberry syrup. And then the milk. I already have here. Time to blend. And don't forget our cherries on top. And strawberry syrup on top. Look at that guys. It looks so appetizing.